Hello, this is Sandro and share ko lang sa inyo itong one-bedroom unit dito sa The Seasons Residences. This one is located sa Mitsukoshi Mall, sa taas ng Mitsukoshi Mall. And isang mabilis lang, no? This is Unit 16D, one bedroom. Ito na lang yung natitira dito sa konting mga units na natitira dito sa The Seasons Residences na ready for occupancy. So yan, living area. Then maganda yung yung island kitchen, counter, no? Then ito, yung bedroom. And then itong unit na to is view niya is amenity view, yung pool, guest house. Pwede yung i-rent ahead of time kung may mga yung unit mo one bedroom lang. Pwede yun i-book ahead of time. Then pagpasok mo, ito na yung washroom and cabinets, deliverable na siya. Yan. And then toilet, may partition, glass partition. And then yan, mga deliverables. This one's as is na siya. What you see is what you get. If you wanna learn more, just send me a message. My number is in the description, pati dito sa baba ng video na to.